So, if you have a dragon in your chart, this is a year na matetest kung gaano tayo ka-grounded, no? At meron tayong mga wisdom, solutions, and talent that would help you navigate, rise above challenges this 2026. But of course, hindi lang po isa ang iyong animal. You actually have four. You have the year, month, day, and then the hour. Para maka-access po tayo ng free calculator, please click, no? SophiaPatsyCalculator.com para makuha mo lahat ng all animals in your chart. The first auxiliary star that we have is the relief god. This is one of the amazing auxiliary stars that we have kasi ang ibig sabihin ng relief god, nababawasan nito yung mga challenges, no? Na mamipingit yung mga challenges na pwedeng dumating within 2026. And on top of that, this is actually a good healing star. Meaning sa 2026, kung sakali, no, meron tayong mga sakit man itong mga past years, basically sa 2026, makakita tayo ng tamang gamot, tamang doktor, na o kaya mga tamang activities para mas makapag-recover tayo at mag-fully heal po ang ating mind and body. So, yes, this is an amazing start to have. And then, of course, we have Sky Release. This is all about support from people around you. Parang bigla na lang may darating na mga tulong na hindi mo ini-expect within 2026. Maganda, no, para mas ma-maximize itong Sky Relief rather sa 2026. Be open to sharing yung mga challenges that you are experiencing. Baka meron dyan, no, someone, a friend, at even an acquaintance, marinig yung mga na sinasabi mo at bigla na lang mag-offer ng help, no, within 2026. So, this is an amazing start to have. Yung mga biglang solution, resources, even tao, bigla na lang dadating para matulungan ka ma-resolve ang mga issues na pwede mong harapin sa 2026. Next naman is 8 seats at saka Phoenix Pavilion. They're quite synonymous sa isa't isa. Although ang 8 seats is all about popularity and fame, bigla tayo maka-experience sa mga followers, admirers, because of the skill sets that we have. Ang Phoenix Pavilion naman is recognition ng mga skill sets mo, yung kung ano yung galing mo, no? Ano yung mga alam mong gawin, mas nanonotice ng mga tao around you. And since they're synonymous, mas na-enhance ang possibility for popularity and fame because of the 8 seats at saka Phoenix Pavilion. So, anong pwede natin gawin para ma-maximize itong mga stars na to? Do not be afraid. Do not shy away in sharing yung mga skill sets mo, yung mga talents mo. The more mo ipakitang nilas within 2026, para magamit natin ng gusto itong 8 seats at saka Phoenix Pavilion. Always remember itong period 9 is all about popularity and fame, no? Kumbaga, in order to thrive within period 9 is gaano natin ka-willing i-embrace ang attention. All eyes on you. Andito nang gagaling ang mga opportunities within period 9. So, best maximize it by sharing all your talents, your skill sets, showcase mo yan sa social media and so on. But of course, bago tayo mag-continue, please download ang ating free ebook with it for 2026, no? Prosper 2026 ebook. Andyan po, ang dami po ko mga free advice na pwede nating matutunan how to maximize 2026. And the best part, it's actually free. It's all about the Crimson Horse, how to manage and i-download nyo po ito. It's all free. Yeah, so I hope to see you there. So the next auxiliary star now that we have is the Leopard Tail. This is all about disruption, sudden ending. So meaning, pag meron kayo mga projects within 2026, make sure that you always have backup plan. Para pag may mga disruption, mag-continue pa rin, mag-progress ang mga projects nyo at hindi magtigil, no, sa 2026. Next naman is Musha. This is all about misunderstanding o kaya disputes and argument because of misunderstanding. So, anong pwede natin gawin? To be patient when you're explaining things to people para hindi ito misinterpret, no? Hindi tayo magkaroon ng communication breakdown. I-explain mo ng maigi para walang misinterpretation na mangyari na that could lead to arguments and disputes. Next auxiliary star is Kaido. This is all about our accidents, injuries, no, within 2026. So this is not the year we become reckless. Kapag magmamaneho po, wag po tayong uminom. Driving, no? Bawal po ang drinking and driving. Yung mga activities na alam mo naman na bibigay ng risk of injuries and accident, please refrain from doing that within 2026 para hindi natin ma-activate ang Skydo. Next naman is blood knife. This is all about blood infection. So, refrain po pumunta, no, sa mga places na mga prone ang mga blood infections, mga illnesses, no? Pati yung mga ginagawa natin, be careful, make sure lang po, no? You always practice safety para hindi tayo makakuha ng sakit o mahawa, no, from people around us. And then the next auxiliary star that we have is instability star. This is all about overthinking. And overthinking doesn't do you good, anybody good, no? It doesn't do anybody good kasi unang-una ang overthinking, it only clouds our mind. Dahil hindi na to nagkakaroon ng space for creativity, for new thoughts, new ideas, new solutions available kasi wala kang ginagawa kundi balik lang ng balik doon sa problema. And now, how to manage ang overthinking is to meditate regularly. The more kayo nag-end up nag-overthink, the more you meditate para magkaroon ng clarity, no? Magkaroon ng space ang mind nyo from the problem that you're experiencing and overlooping it, no? Sa mind nyo. So meditation helps give you space for clarity and a breather. And next naman is ang journaling. I-list down nyo po kung ano yung mga iniisip nyo para madali nyo siya ma-process kasi natatransfer nyo na siya, no? Mas madali mo na siya makita, ma-review pag i-journal mo yan. Next naman is meron tayong lonesome star. This is a star where you feel like you are isolated. Kumbaga, nobody is there to help you out. But which is not the case because I believe that there are a lot of people who are actually rooting for you, who cares about your well-being. So, instead kung itingkim natin lahat ng sarili, no, mag-isa yung mga problema iniisip ninyo, please reach out to the people that you care and feel safe expressing, no? Tell them that you are feeling alone at kailangan ko ng tulong para makapag-delegate ka ng mga ibang task at mabawasan yung overload that you are experiencing. At para tumigil din, no? Ang kaka-overthink. Mabawasan natin yung mga iisip. Next naman is funeral guest. Now, funeral guest actually represents we're in you mag-attend kayo ng funeral in supporting someone who's actually mourning, no, the death of someone. So, yun po ang ibig sabihin ng funeral guest. And usually, traditionally, pag meron po tayong funeral guest sa ating store, ina-advise po tayong pumunta sa mga funerals at sa mga burials kasi mas sensitive. Mas heightened ang sensitivity nyo sa mga energies, no, around you. Alam mo na kung ano yung ibig ko sabihin. O kaya naman, is mas prone tayo sa illnesses, no? Susceptible tayo sa mga flu, mga viral infection na pwede natin makuha from the wake or the burial. So, yun siya. That's the only definition of funeral guest, no? So, Dragon sa 2026 is all about grace, eloquence, and handling mga challenges within 2026. Yes, it's up and down, pero marami kayong stars, really stars, lalong-lalo na to can help you navigate and manage at rise above these challenges. So you need not to worry, no? Kailangan lang i-maximize natin and of course, be open to planning your action before we start sa 2026, no? Huwag natin sayangin yung mga positive stars and be open to always seeking help when you need to and never see it as a form of weakness. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video, which is the snake. Bye.